Jinhusha Grinding and Abrasives Technology Company Limited is a senior enterprise in the field of abrasives and abrasive tools supply. The company has gathered a group of experienced professionals who always adhere to strict quality inspection standards, uphold the concept of thoughtful and meticulous customer service. They can respond to and explore customers' needs in a timely manner, as well as striving to ensure the satisfaction of every customer. With the unremitting pursuit of quality and continuous technological innovation, the company has won various international certifications, which is not only a high recognition of our comprehensive strength, but also a strong testimony to the excellent quality of our products. At present, our products are not only popular in various provinces and cities in China, but also sold well in many countries and regions around the world, and has won wide market praise. In addition, Jinhusha Grinding and Abrasives Technology Company Limited also has strong customized service capabilities and can fully undertake OEM and ODM orders to meet the diversified needs of different customers. Whether you want to choose your favorite products from our rich existing product catalog or need to see professional and provide you with a full range of on-stop solutions to help your business flourish,